Let's bake a cake for my son who turns 12 tomorrow. Part one, we're going to be making a number cake. One of them is going to be yellow cake, the other one is going to be chocolate. We're going to start with the yellow cake, and we're going to do this my way. I don't really follow the instructions here, I change them. So come with me, learn how to make this an original cake. I need 1 cup of water, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, and 3 eggs. As per me, I change the water for milk. In this case, I'm gonna be using 2 cups because I'm doing 2 boxes. I'm gonna be using the vegetable oils, and I'm gonna be using 4 eggs instead of 3. I always add 1 egg. It makes it softer, smoother. The cake takes better. I also add 1 box. In this case, the big one because I'm doing 2 boxes of cake. If you will be doing one, then you can use the small box of yellow. And this one is vanilla since it's a yellow cake. If you do chocolate, then you buy the chocolate one. I also add a pinch of salt and vanilla extract. Let's go for it. So that's mixing. I'm gonna go ahead and prepare my pan. I butter it. I just put butter and I add a little bit of flour. That's all I do. The ones are cut. The twos would be chocolate.